Naghahanap ka ba ng bahay na abot kaya, pero quality? Eto na ang sagot mo. Beverly Homes, Baras, Rizal. May license to sell through Pag-ibig Fund at pre-selling pa, kaya super mura. Meron tayong Nicole Model Socialized Townhouse na may 36 square meter lot area, 32 square meter floor area, walang parking kaya budget friendly. Meron ding Haley Model Upgraded Townhouse, may parking, 52 square meter lot area, mas maluwag, ideal for growing families. At hindi lang basta bahay, meron din tayong clubhouse, playground, basketball court at gated community. Tahimik, secured, at nature-inspired pa ang vibes. Prime location din to kasi may malapit na Painaan Market, walking distance to public school, isang sakay lang papuntang LRT Antipolo along Marcos Highway route. Presyong upa, bahay mo na talaga. Ang ating Nicole Model pricing ay nagkakahalaga ng 1,150,000, may down payment na 300,000 less 10,000 reservation fee, payable ng 24 months down payment term, 12,083 per month. At may Pag-ibig as low as 5,513 monthly for 30 years. Samantalang ang Haley Model naman ay nagkakahalaga ng 2,050,000, may net down payment na 380,000, payable for 24 months as low as 15,833 monthly. At Pag-ibig, monthly amortization as low as 10,220 per month. All in na, no hidden charges. So kung ready ka na sa sariling bahay, TM mo na ako. Magpa-reserve for just 10,000.